Now, let's look at blended results. From the lesson before, I alluded to blended results as being very important based on what type of business you are. So let's look at blended results and see how you can take advantage of them. First of all, blended results are based primarily on the intention of the searcher. Based on the words searchers use, the search engines try to interpret what they are looking for. So they're looking at an information-based search. They're looking to see, is this user interested in movies, hotels, restaurants, products? So based on that type of information, they're going to change the display of the search engine results. Also, what the search engine takes into account is the searcher's location. So if you are in New York searching for products, you're going to see different things than if you were in LA searching for the same exact thing. Also, your search history plays a part in the types of results you are going to see. The search engines try to learn what you predominantly search for, and in doing so, that way, when you perform a search, they'll use your history to see what you've searched on in the past. Your search history is used by the search engines to figure out what types of results to show you as you search now. So your search history can come in and affect the results that you see that no one else will see based on your personalization. So let's look at how blended results can change. For example, this search for Statue of Liberty fireworks. You get images, you get video, and it's all based on the word that's used. So the search engine is interpreting what it is you're looking for and then provides you media that will match that. Now, if we look for a New York subway pass, based on that search, the search engine, Google, is going to show you customer assistance numbers, the address, how to get in touch with the subway authority. Also, you can figure out where you can get a Metro card, you can figure out where you can get subway maps, and so all kinds of information is available to you to figure out how to use the subways in New York. You can also use this in searching for information about your favorite sports team. The Yankees are not my favorite sports team, but we're going to stay with the New York theme, because if you want to know about the Yankees or any other team, you can get a quick look at the schedule. You can get an overview of the team and the players on the team, what positions they play. You can also get news for your favorite team from a multiple list of sources. Also, you can find out when your team is going to be on TV and on what channel. Maybe you're interested in buying a New York t-shirt. Simply by typing in a product such as t-shirt, you're going to get products out of Google's shopping search. Maybe you're interested in a movie that night. So if you type in New York City movies, you're going to see an ad for the latest in movies. You're also going to see what movies are playing, the ratings. You can also click and see the trailers and see the listings for movie theaters in the area, both by map and by location. When you're searching for a restaurant, Google really excels, and the search engines are really putting a lot of emphasis on this. So just by searching for sushi in the West Loop of Chicago, I can find maps, I can find all the restaurants that are in the area, I can get addresses, phone numbers, hours that they're open, and immediate access to reviews. If I ever want to know how to do something, go to a search engine. Like I said, we live in an age where every answer that we would ever want is available through a search engine. So if you want to know how to change your oil, type in how to and what you want to do, and you can see videos or you can read about how to do it. It's up to you. I mentioned earlier that the search engines use location data. So a search for a zoo in Southern California shows San Diego Zoo as being number one. If you search for a zoo in Manhattan, you're going to get the Bronx Zoo being number one. And then personalization is going to move its way into the search results. So in looking to see what the latest is on Pinterest for business, at the bottom of the page, I see an article by a friend of mine that I am included in Google Plus on my network. So because he's in my network, his articles and his information influence what I see in my search results. And we're going to be seeing more and more of these personalization customizations in your search results as time goes on. So blended results, they can be video, they can be images, maps, locations, news, directions, movies, sports, e-commerce. Local businesses can take advantage of this, public transport, travel. It's invaluable. Blended search is the search engines trying to predict what it is you want, when you want it, and enabling the search engine results page not to be a list of things to go find the answer, but the search engines are trying to make the search engine results page the source for your answer.